I wish y'all could really understand how hard it is to struggle, or how much I struggle trying to take videos. Look at him, just going on. Go. Now he done lay down on my back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this video is going to be a Fashionnova unboxing. I might do / haul, but we'll see. So I'm addicted. Okay, look, like as much stuff as I be talking about Fashionnova, I'm still addicted, and they be having those 40% off coupons or 50% off coupons, and so your girl be taking advantage of it. So I did get I just did a SHEIN haul, and I think I got like 13 or 14 items from there. And then y'all gonna have to just get used to this dog, because I can't get, they're clingy. I don't know what to do when I'm trying to record. They just be in the way. Sit down, find somewhere to sit. No. And then they over here chewing on my clothes. You can't chew on these, baby. No. Anyways, so I ordered a bunch of stuff from SHEIN first, and then Fashionnova turned around, and I think it was like it wasn't the President's Day sale. It was another sale for some, probably no reason at all, whatever. But they offered 40% at first. I want to say it was like Super Bowl or something like that. I think it was Super Bowl. So they had 40% off first, and then I didn't take advantage of it, and then they extended it, and I still didn't take advantage of it. And I want to say the day after that, they did like 50%. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm finna get me some stuff. And then after I ordered that stuff, I went back and added more stuff to my cart, and it's currently just sitting there. I'm waiting, but I definitely will probably place another order soon. Don't judge me. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, thank you for returning. Also, if you're new here, check out all my other previous videos and playlists too. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and get started. So I've been on this like whole ordering jackets thing because it's 6 more weeks of winter, and which is some bullshit side notes. And so I don't have a lot of jackets. I've been wearing the same 2 like jackets. One's tan, one's nude or whatever color, beige, whatever. Not that one, but it's another one. But anyways, I just been trying to order new jackets and different little things and kind of switch up my style, try some new stuff. So that is what this item is. And we're going to see how it looks when I try it on. But it's just like this little short jacket. I'm going to have to pair it with something real cute in order to probably pull this off. So that's cute little jacket or whatnot. It's like I said, it's kind of shortcut, so probably would be good with like some high-waisted jeans or even over a dress. Something along those lines. We'll see. Oh, sorry. I have this bad habit of looking up instead of looking into the camera. Y'all are going to have to forgive me. In my last video, I think I talked about like I'm trying to move over to the basic side. I want to get more basic and like neutral colors in my closet. So you're probably going to see a lot of, between my last video, my SHEIN video, and this video, you're probably going to see like a lot of blacks, whites, nudes, creams, grays, like just more on the neutral side, because like I already have enough stuff where it's like reds and, well, I don't really wear pink, but like, you know what I mean. I just have enough colorful stuff. This is a body suit, and it is like a high cut. I mean, Jesus, I don't know what type of ass they think the person gonna have, but this is finna be saggy as hell on your girl. Baby, and this is a small, oh my God. But anyways, it's like a little turtleneck-ish up at the top. And then, like I said, the bottom is like that high V cut. But super, super sexy. And when I get this ass done, it's gonna be really cute on me. But we still gonna put it together and see what I can come up with. Oh, okay. So let me grab these and the others here. Okay. My bad, dog. So somehow I ordered 2 pairs of leather pants. One's like a jegging type and one's like, I think, pants. It was a complete accident. I could have sworn I took one of these out of my cart, but apparently I didn't. See, these are, I want to say these are what I wanted. So these are like some leather pants. I've been wanting leather pants. I know they're seasonal or whatnot, but I've been wanting some because I just have some looks I want to do. So this is what they look like. They're like, show you the front and the back. These are like more so like leggings. So we'll see how they look. I like these though. I definitely like these. I love them, love them, love them. I love how they look in pictures. So I'm excited for those. Now this other pair, I could have, oh, I wish, I'm kind of sad because I did not want these, but I might have to make them work with something. It's because they're more of like a metallic-y color, but whatever. We might have to just make them work. So these are the other ones. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but these are more like a metallic. And in case y'all are wondering, as usual, I get all my stuff in size smalls or extra smalls. But look, can you tell the, like, you can tell the difference clear as day, right? Like, so if I'm trying to compare the two, yeah. But I'm sure I can make these work with something. I mean, I'll wear these to work if they fit right. And I got these are a small also, so they must have didn't come in sizes like 1, 2s, or 3s. They must have came in like small, medium, or larges. So I got these in a small. They're skinny. And so, yeah. Excited to see what I'm able to put together with both of those pieces. Next, oh, I have one of the pieces on, well, not pieces. One of the things I have bought from Fashionnova, it's like this onesie. You guys probably saw it in my intro on my last video. It's like a onesie, and it has a hood. Hold on. I've been wearing the hell out of this since I bought it, especially with all these snowstorms in Texas. So it's a little dingy, don't judge me. But it has like the little ears or whatnot on it. And it zip-ins all the way up. So yes, been wearing this. I've been needing this to keep me warm. So it might look a little dingy, like I said, but it's comfortable as hell. And I actually will be ordering more. Like, I'm gonna get one in like, they have like a tan color. I'm gonna get tan, gray, whatever. I don't care. I'm getting them all. I love it. I love it. Love it. So Black History Month, right? It's February. So, and I know this isn't technically like Black History, but it's like, I mean, I guess it just depends on what your view of Black history is. But to me, I'm just thinking of like anything that's like Black owned, Black created, movies, whatever, like all kinds of things. People, of course, you know, all of those different things. And so when I saw this shirt on Fashionnova, I was like, oh yeah, I'm about to rock this to work for Black History Month. And so I mean, this movie is like one of the iconic movies, right, for Black people anyways. So yeah, definitely will be rocking this to work when we just finally go back, because right now we're snowed in. Well, snowed in. But yeah, definitely rocking this. I love the tie-dye look. I think it is so cute. And then let me hold it up. It says, I think it says, let me see, once upon a time in South Central LA, it ain't no fairy tale. So that's that. And I did get this shirt in a extra small because I tried to get a small, but then they sold out. So I was like, well, I'm getting it. I've been wanting to get it. So I just went down extra small, and it looks like it'll still fit me pretty good. So yeah. Oh, this shirt. I've been wanting this shirt for a minute too, and it always sells out. And I'm glad finally. I have a favorite section on Fashionnova's website, so I just went to my favorites to, like, every time I buy something or I go and decide to like shop at Fashionnova, I always go over to my favorite section to see what I've saved or what I've hearted is what is considered hearted. And I see if any of that stuff is in stock, because a lot of times some of the stuff that I've hearted is out of stock. So I went over there to see, you know, what was in stock, and this shirt was, and I've been wanting this for, ooh baby, this shirt is kind of, it's real sheer. Real sheer. Huh. Anyways, but yeah, it says, if you don't pay my bills, STFU. Okay, that's not what it really says, but it's like, you know. I've been wanting this. This is more like on the lines of, I guess, an oversized tee. This is actually an extra small. It probably doesn't look like an extra small, but it is. It's an extra small. So I'm excited. I've been wanting this. I love the pink on this pops. Like, they did a good job with picking the colors on that one. Okay, we only have 3 more things left. So another little tie-dye piece. I don't know what's with me in this whole tie-dye thing, but another little tie-dye long sleeve shirt that I saw that is so me, so my mood, is this one right here. And it says hood music and fine dining, baby. That is me. That is my life. Love trap music, but your girl likes going to real fancy, classy restaurants. So this is so my mood daily, right? Daily. If I could go out to eat every day and not get fat and not spend like so much money, I definitely would. So yeah, trap music. Yeah, your girl like trap music. So yeah, I like this. This is really cute, actually. I love the way it looks. And it has like the little scrunchies on the sleeve. Well, not scrunchies, but it's not just wide all the way through it. You know, kind of comes to a little, whatever you want to call it. I don't know shit. Love this. It's going to be oversized as well, and wearing it to work too. Some people at work probably hate me, and I really do not care. Anyways, moving along. This is, okay, I'm like torn about this particular piece because I have been wanting, the colors actually look really different in person, but I have been wanting this. They came out with one before, but it had like lettering on the back. So let me show you. It's like this, it's a plaid shirt, right? But it's super long. Like, it's almost like a dress. It's not made to be a dress. Like, those leather leggings will look super fire up under here, but it like has this high split. Yeah, this is cute as hell, actually. And so I have been wanting this for some time now, but like the one that they had on their website had, I think, like 96 or something, like 91 or something on the back. And I'm like, no, I definitely don't want that. First of all, I'm not a 90s baby. Definitely born in the 80s. That's number one. And number two, them big old lettering on the back, I just wasn't feeling it. To me, it gave me cheap vibes. Whereas this not so much. But yeah, so I love this. I'm excited to see how this pairs up. Last thing, y'all. This is another item I've been wanting for so long, but they are always sold out. And that is this little lingerie piece. I guess it's considered more like a lingerie piece. And it is like a thong at the butt. I guess it's considered more of like a lingerie piece, but I personally would either wear it for my man or I would wear it with some jeans, probably like some black high-waisted jeans. Like, I've kind of worn a similar style to this before, but I'll probably pair this with like some black jeans, high-waisted, ripped, you know, but tight and fitted. And then I could put on that black blazer from SHEIN over the top of it too, and pull a look like that, or no bottoms. Well, no, I can't do that. I was gonna say, if the SHEIN blazer buttoned, I could do this up under the blazer by itself, but it doesn't button, so that's gonna be an epic fail. But yeah, I've been wanting this. It's a teddy, I think is what it's called. Yeah, it's a hopeless romantic teddy. I've been wanting it for so long, and they're always sold out of it. So I'm glad I put it in my favorites because I finally got it. so that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in having me piece that stuff together and maybe just like a lookbook, and I can combine like my Fashionnova stuff with my SHEIN stuff, or just, you know, previous Fashionnova stuff that I've purchased, and show you guys what I, you know, the vibe or the look I'm going for, drop it in the comment section. Let me know that that's what you want to see, and I'll make it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.